Hello guys, welcome back to Trevor Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Google Pay. Please exit any apps that might be drawing over the screen and try again error which is happening right now for many users, and how to fix this up. So first of all, what you have to do is you just have to click on settings, then you just have to scroll down a little bit and you have to navigate to apps and select this. From here you just have to tap on once again on the apps at the top, and there is a three-dot menu at the top right, so you just have to tap on it. Now from here there is an option called special access, so you just have to tap on that too. And once after that you just have to click on draw over other apps, and from here you just have to select each one of these apps and you have to turn this off. For example, I'm going to show you out. Let me click on the first one, and there is, you just have to, as you can see, that draw over other apps is disabled here. So in the same way those it is enabled, so you just have to disable this, because that is why you're having this trouble, and you just have to disable this back. And let me go back and let me select any one of the app. Let me select this one. So as you can see, this has been, so you just have to turn this off, and this is what you have to do. And once it is done, you just have to close everything back up. You just have to close it and back to the home screen. And once everything is done, you have to open your Google Pay, and most probably this should be completely fixed, and this is what it's all about it. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.